Hello, Jan here from Forest Bathing Nature Tonic, and I've come out between showers. We've got the most wonderful rainy weather. It's coming in showers and bursts with sunshine in between, and the whole countryside is being refreshed. We so needed this rain. And finally, there's a little robin just landed in front of me. Doesn't seem at all concerned. Lovely. I'm thinking about the birds on this walk because, you hear? The woods are so quiet. These woods have just been full of song. They've been a wall of sound ever since I started making these videos since lockdown. And now I think everyone has raised their clutch of eggs. They're off out into the world, and everyone can just get on with the business of fattening up and getting strong. And everywhere I'm seeing signs that the birds have had their breeding season. I've been finding little broken eggs where the fledglings have hatched out, and the parents have picked them up and dropped them away from the nest to stop predators coming. And I've stopped just here because I've just found this most beautiful little nest, which has presumably fallen out of the ivy in this tree. Let me show you. You see how smooth it is inside? I have no concerns that this fell out before the birds had raised their brood, because this has been smoothed down by the scrabbling round of the little fledglings as they were being fed. I think the parents did a good job to start with, and then it's been compressed and hammered down as the babies got bigger and bigger. What a beautiful thing. It's light. Let's see if there's any sound. You hear that? It's made of mosses, grasses, all woven together. There's a hole here where it's been pressed up against a branch and kind of wound around. Can you see that hole? It's kind of been built around a twig that's been poking through to hold it on. Now, we have had some winds these last couple of days that have come between the rain showers, and I think now the nest is empty. It's given up its grip on the tree and it's come down and landed in very good condition. Sometimes there's mud on the inside of the nests, but this one hasn't. It's just purely made of vegetation, and when I leave it now on the forest floor, it will go back to being what it was, which is compost. And that will feed some new plants, which will go on to make another nest, or another tree to hold another nest. I just love these circular, spiraling patterns of life. It's so beautiful. Not everyone is silent. I don't want to interrupt, it's so lovely.